just got to the store. I'm gonna grab some coffee, but I don't know what I want. I don't know if I want to try the pistachio or get my usual. This wallet is so cute. I like to look at all of the kitchen items they have here because they're always so cute and they go with like the season, you know. These tumblers are only $2. She snuck an orange. They have really cute claw clips too and just a bunch of scrunchies. I'm at the Dollar Tree now. I wanted to get sunglasses, but I'm looking at the Valentine stuff too. But look at these lashes. Like, I don't wear lashes, but I know that these are some good lashes. And then they have a mini gel lamp. I need one of these too. They have a lot of good items that I'm just gonna show off right now.
With that too. Then you just scoop it out. Okay, we're all done and we're gonna be going back home now. We are back home and I'm just gonna go ahead and show everything that I got, but I'll show all the Dollar Tree stuff. Ugh. Okay. So I ended up getting these heart tray cupcake tins. And then I did get this scalp massager. I have one from Amazon, but I really like it, and I like this one a lot better. I tried it before. Michael got an avocado like scooper. Got this. Got some Vaseline. This one has like a rosy tint to it. And then we got some alcohol. I like to use this to clean like the mirrors and just glass in the house. Michael got some chapstick. He got these little mini tongs. Babe, do you want to put this stuff in the dishwasher or anything since it's on? No? Okay. We got her this bottle brush cleaner. She's been needing one. And then I got her these because I like to take like holiday photos with her. So these will be for her Valentine photos. You probably like.
So this is what, how much did we spend? 70? This is $70 worth of groceries. We're gonna make a ceviche today. This is what I got for Target, and I'm just gonna use it for our spring decorations. I got this little lavender plant. So I got this plant, and then we can just unbox this one and see what's in there. I forgot we got her a bottle brush cleaner, but I had gotten this one. Then I did a poll on which wreath I should get on my Instagram, and I ended up going with this one. I think it's super adorable, very spring. And I'll put that on our front door. And then I got this little plant. So my vision was like to have this on the door and hang it by fishing line so you can't see the line. And then also include the K like hanging in the middle for Kennedy, because I feel like that'll look super cute. These are the first ones I got from the Dollar Tree. These are really cute. I was looking on Amazon and they were so expensive, and I was like, I know the Dollar Tree is gonna have some cute ones. And then I got a different style in black, just because black is a good sunglass color to have. It goes with everything. This is where I'm gonna put the little lavender plant. These are all faux plants, by the way. I think it looks cute right there, just give it a nice little touch. So I found Michael's fishing line. Show you that real quick. I don't know where he got this, but I'm sure it's inexpensive. It's just clear like this, so you won't be able to tell that this is like hanging by something on the door. This is how the K looks. So happy because I didn't need to tie anything to hang it because I had this nail here. I had that nail here already. I like this fruit like washer, whatever, because you can like dry it really, really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give this another rinse. Throw back in, and then you're just gonna put it back in to the fruit washer. And then once it's in there, you put this lid on there, and then you spin it so it dries. That comes out of it is so cool. Look at it. It's all the water that was in there. And then I'll just do that, maybe, honestly, I'll do it a lot, like maybe 4 or 5 times, just to make sure that it's really, really dry. I'm gonna start with the limes and the lemons, and then I'll do the meat after, and we're just gonna do shrimp and crab. These are the juiciest limes and lemons I've ever used. You see how much juice is coming out of this? This is only half of this lime. I'm just making sure I don't have any seeds in there. And then I'm gonna cut up the crab and add that in as well. We got super small shrimp, so I don't really have to chop these ones up. I'll do quarter, or like thirds. And then I will just add it into the bowl.
And then, see how much faster that is than shredding it by hand?
Michael's stepping in because this is honestly his recipe. I don't know how he wanted it.
Wait? No, I mean Band-Aid.
This is how it's looking so far. I am gonna add some more lime and then the cilantro, and then I'll add in our habanero, some garlic, and then the seasonings. This is how I'm keeping Zara entertained. She wanted to feel included, so she's just washing the same dish over and over again. All clean? Is it all clean? So you're gonna do 2 garlic cloves, some salt. I'm just using this pink Himalayan salt, and then our habanero. Then we will add the Clamato and the seasonings, and that'll be it.
Next job I work to, it's gonna be like a family. If you didn't have a family, you might.
So this is how it came out, and it is so good, and it's really spicy. Those habanero chilies, don't play around. This is how much Clamato we used. I don't really know the measurement of that. I just kind of eyed that. But yeah, this is how it came out.